And this is what we're up to today.
Hi, we're Jeff and Angela, and we're Pure Detour. Last year, we quit our jobs to travel the world full-time. This month, we'll be exploring and eating our way through Bangkok, Thailand. For our time here in Bangkok, we have decided to try something a little bit different.
I'm so excited. Today we are going to go check out some animal cafes and go play with the animals. Let's go. Did they fit?
Yeah, they finally got up.
They gave us these little tiny socks so that because we have to take our shoes off, they don't want us dragging in anything from the street that may harm the animals. The first pair that they gave Jeff were like, just barely kind of went over his toes, so we're really glad that they had a pair that fit him. Oh no. All right, they just opened the doors. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a Corgi poodle. Hi Oh goodness. Thank you. Oh, hi there. Hello there. Hello there, little dog. Oh goodness! Oh goodness! So sweet. Is this a meerkat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this little meerkat. Listen to the noise he makes. That noise is amazing. Look at his little claws. Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh, there's his claws. Here we go. There we go. Hey, buddy. This little guy has been put up on here on the shelf as a timeout because he keeps growling and barking at the others. Are you a bad dog? Are you a bad dog? Alright, so I'm kind of freaking out. Jeff and I, we both love dogs so much, but you know, obviously we travel so much, we can't have any. So like, this is the next best thing. You can get your dog pedals in and you don't have to carry them around everywhere. Oh,
Yeah, he seems really nervous. But my God, that thing's cute.
how soft is he?
Yeah, it's super soft.
Oh my gosh. Is this a fennec fox? Yes. Oh my gosh, I've seen these on TikToks and stuff like that, but look how tiny he is. Poor little guy. Look at his little paws. He's so soft. Oh my gosh.
I thought that was discrimination. Exactly, right?
Alright, so this little guy just jumped into my lap here, and we had read about this place online, and there's actually a couple of them here in Bangkok. Can you really think of a better way to have a cup of coffee than hang out with a bunch of animals?
Look at your little dress.
I am covered in coffee hair and I don't care.
Don't care one bit.
No. Here's a little guy I wasn't expecting to see. Coming from Canada, we have a lot of these guys around, but I don't think I've ever pet one in the wild.
So they just made him stop that, and I think that she's actually the one that's upset that they made him stop.
Maybe I could bring my laptop here and make this my workspace. What do you think?
So after you go play with the dogs for a little bit, the other animals in there, you get yourself a cold drink, you got a nice cappuccino, she got a Thai tea.
The entrance fee here at Little Zoo Cafe is 390 baht per person, which is about 11 US dollars. And that does include an hour in there with the animals, a delicious drink, and the socks you need to put on, as well as a tiny little stuffed animal souvenir that we're just gonna leave here, let the kids have it.
If you thought we were done with the dog cafes, we're not. We're heading to another one right now. Let's go.
Oh, you know what? It's smelling me because of all the other dogs from earlier today. He's resting on my foot now. I guess I can't move.
ไม่กินหมาปะใช่ไหม
Dog in Town Cafe in Ekamai had a different vibe. It was more like a sit-down cafe where you just relax, have your drink, and hang out with the dogs, kind of like you might at home. And it even has an outdoor play area.
The entrance fee is 350 baht per person, which is about 10 US dollars. And that includes any drink on their list.
One cute detail is that all the dogs here are named after stations on the BTS line, which is a nearby elevated transit train.
Okay, we didn't film a whole lot there right towards the end of that because we are in Thailand during the monsoon seasons and it looked like the rain was going to come. So we had to hustle to get back here towards our Airbnb as quickly as we could.
But how fun was that? It was amazing to play with all the little dogs. I would definitely do that again. I would recommend it to you if you're a dog lover.
Absolutely.
On the monsoon note, we're thinking actually about making a video about whether or not it's worth it to come visit Thailand during the monsoon season. So leave a comment down below if that's something you'd be interested in, and we will see you next time.
You guys be sure to like and subscribe so you can see what happens next here in Bangkok.
Bye.